Hi everyone, I just wanted to come on here because I just tried this new little trick with the collection, and I know some TrueBrow specialists have tried this already, but after trying it I just got so excited, so I really wanted to make a video and tell you guys about it. So with the collection, we all know it comes with the little cream called Element, and then we also have the powder and the double-ended brush. So it might be obvious, but the cream with the powder, especially the SO3, and probably even any of the other shades, the SO2 or the SO1, what you can actually do is create a really, really beautiful eyeliner with it. So I'm going to show you here on the camera. So I'm going to put a little bit of the cream on, just like so. And then I'm going to kind of make a paste with the remaining cream on the brush with the powder, and I'm using SO3. I mean, seriously. Isn't that amazing? So basically, we all love the collection and we know it is an incredible product, and now it has just gone up a notch because now it is also an eyeliner. And the way that the collection was designed is it's designed to stay all day. So the eyeliner, I think, is also going to be a really big success. And I'm just going to do the other side so I kind of match. And also, because we all know that the brush is so easy to use and so amazing, it works wonderfully for the eyeliner as well. And I think you could use both sides. I don't know how even that is, but look at that. So I have a little bit of the collection on my brows. And I like to go really light on the brows. I don't like to have them too dark. And now with the same product, I have eyeliner on, and I just think this is amazing. So I wanted to share it with you, and try it at home. Let me know what you think of it and if it works for you. For those of you who have SO1 and would like to have the eyeliner built into your kit, you could just pick up an SO3 and then you have an eyeliner to go with your brow kit. So I hope you have a lovely day, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I look forward to hearing what you think about it. Bye.